Hi, it's good to see you. We're back again, and our Hamilton Beach coffee maker quit after many years of service. And my daughter and I went to the store, and we came back with this, a Keurig machine. I've never had one. This is our first, and she picked out the color. She picked out red, and they had silver and black too, but we picked the red one because our curtains in here are red and we just like the vibrant colors. So we decided we were going to make a coffee bar, and we put it not in the kitchen but in a different room that has a lot of natural light. And we put our different little pods. We have pumpkin spice from Green Mountain. And let's see, the Donut Cafe toasted hazelnut. That sounds fantastic. I haven't tried that. And the Green Mountain pumpkin spice. That is great. I already tried that one. And I think we have one more kind in here if I can find it. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have Lipton iced tea, Southern sweet tea, and that's really good. My son tried this and it's good. So I bought 4 new cups to put out here, and that's these. And normally I have just different kinds of cups, but I chose these to put out here. My daughter liked those, and I thought we have the blue with the, I don't know, it's kind of a dark black color, kind of a gloss, and then the gray with it, and the red and white, or kind of an off-white color. And one of my favorite cups here is my Oklahoma cup. It's the Sooner State, Oklahoma, Native America, established in 1907. And so I have that sitting there because I was going to make a cup of coffee here in a little bit. But I wanted to let you know that I also bought a Mr. Coffee coffee maker because I like to drink Folgers coffee in the morning and have for years and years. And so my daughter really wanted the Keurig machine, so that's why we bought it. And I thought it might be kind of fun because I know that several people on YouTube have made coffee bars, and this is just kind of our coffee bar that we like. So, and I think you should just take any style, any colors that you like, and go with it. Some have really nice ones. I have this on the wall. It says Pumpkin Patch, open daily. I have some walnuts here. And I kind of wanted to go for a layered look. So I took the shelf, and this normally goes over your sink, but I wasn't using it. So I went and got this out and put this shelf on top of a buffet that I had painted. And it was my husband's grandmother. So that's that. And you can see up here, I just put some different colored small pumpkins and put these canisters, the tea and the coffee and the sugar, my little scarecrow there. And maybe if somebody wants to eat some walnuts, there are some in there. And here's just some different kinds of cups. You can see those designs on there. Coffee and my candle. And this candle you actually turn on, so that's nice. And some other pumpkins here. And I just wanted to give you a shot of that. And I put this runner on here. It has different colors of owls because I like color. And actually underneath it, I have a plastic it's a tablecloth that I cut. So if it does get water, if any water spills out when we're filling up the container back there, I wanted to make sure that it didn't get on our buffet. So I cut from a plastic tablecloth, I cut the red out, and you can see that right there. Okay. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that, and we're excited about that. My daughter is really excited about it. So that's what we've done. Thank you.